Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn Physics Better with Blessing. So today I'm going to continue on another term used in motion, which is acceleration. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. That is, acceleration is equals to change in velocity over time. Acceleration is equals to change in velocity over time, and this change in velocity can further be final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So acceleration is change in velocity over time, and it can therefore be final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Now this final velocity has a letter that denotes it, which is v, and initial velocity also has a letter that denotes it, which is u, and of course time is equals t. So this is the and also acceleration has a letter that denotes it, which is a, small letter a to be precise. So this is like the formula of acceleration. So acceleration is equals to v minus u over t. V denotes final velocity, u denotes initial velocity, and t denotes time. So that is the formula for acceleration. Please let's take note of this. When velocity increases with time, it is called acceleration. But when velocity decreases in time, it is called retardation or deceleration. Let me quickly explain that. For example, now we'll say, remember we said is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So if we're given a question and we have our final velocity to be 4 and our initial velocity is 8 and our time, let's say our time is 2, 4 minus 8 equals to minus 4 over 2. So this is equals to minus 2. So what I'm trying to say is, when you have a negative answer, that is when velocity is reducing with time, when you have a negative answer, it is called deceleration or retardation. But when your answer is positive, that is when it is increasing in time, let's say it is, our final velocity is 8 and initial velocity is 4 and time is 2. So we have 4 over 2. This is 2. So when your answer is positive like this, it is called acceleration. The acceleration is positive, it's normal acceleration. But when it is reducing, when you have a negative answer, it is called deceleration or retardation. Please take note of that. To derive the SI unit of acceleration, remember acceleration is change in velocity over time. Okay, now I have to say this. In case you have not watched my video on velocity, displacement, speed, and the rest. Please go and watch it because it's very important. It will help you understand this aspect very well. Please go and watch it. In my last video, I said the SI unit of velocity is meter per seconds. Meter per seconds. Now over seconds time, the SI unit of time is seconds. Okay, we can further divide this to be m over s over s. This is where mathematics comes in. Okay, this is also m over s divided by s over 1. Okay, so this one to be m over s times 1 over s. M times 1, m. S times s equals s squared. Okay, now you can also write it as meter per second square. This is how the SI unit of acceleration was derived. With this, we have come to an end of terms used in motion. In my next video, I'm going to be giving you some key points that will make you really understand motion very well, and this terms used in motion very well. So subscribe and turn on your notification button so you get a notification when I post a video. Don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, and I promise you this next video is gonna help you, so watch out. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. You can also share my links to your friends or anyone you feel is also finding it difficult to understand physics. Stay safe.